Welcome to Salud 365. As we age, experiencing a decline in energy, reduced motivation, or diminished performance can become an undeniable reality. Our bodies may not respond as they once did, leading us to wonder if this is the new normal. But the surprising truth is, it doesn't have to be. I'm about to reveal a completely natural, accessible, and highly effective solution that isn't expensive prescription drugs or complicated supplements. It's all about 3 fundamental nuts. These simple daily additions have the power to transform your health, energy, and performance. No tricks, no complex procedures, just scientifically backed nutrients that help repair what age begins to take away by interacting with your body's biology. More than just a single benefit. These nuts address the underlying causes of your lack of energy, sluggishness, and poor performance. Together, they amplify unique effects, including enhanced blood flow, increased testosterone, and improved overall circulation. The result is a more vibrant, energetic, and confident you. Curious? Keep reading, because what you're about to discover could be the turning point you've been searching for. Make sure you subscribe if you're ready to take control of your health, feel like yourself again, and reclaim the vitality and energy you deserve. Starting today, I'll provide additional information that will help you regain your strength, balance, and performance. Now, let's explore the first powerhouse nut that has the potential to transform your life. If this video resonates with you, type 1 in the comments. Otherwise, type 0.1. Walnuts, the king of circulation. Walnuts are the king of circulation and can significantly improve your performance and energy levels. It's not necessary for aging to make you feel sluggish or less active. It can be easier than you think to regain your energy, vitality, and performance. Walnuts, that small nut you might often overlook, can significantly improve your blood circulation and overall well-being. Arginine, an amino acid found in walnuts, supports the body's production of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a crucial substance that aids in normal blood flow. As we age, the natural synthesis of nitric oxide decreases, resulting in slower circulation. This can affect everything from energy levels to bedroom performance. By adding walnuts to your diet, you can improve circulation, boost vitality and performance, and help restore blood flow. Consider my 70-year-old patient, John. He came to me in frustration, feeling his body wasn't responding the way it used to. After I advised him to add walnuts to his diet, he saw remarkable changes within a few weeks. He felt more confident, his stamina increased, and his energy returned. No expensive supplements or prescription drugs, just walnuts supporting his body's natural processes. In addition to boosting circulation, walnuts are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which enhance heart health and lower inflammation. All these advantages combine to make walnuts an effective tool for anyone trying to improve their overall performance. Energy levels or health. The beauty of walnuts lies in their simplicity. You don't need to purchase expensive supplements or adhere to strict diets. Just a handful of walnuts each day is enough to reap the benefits. If you've been experiencing low energy or performance, adding this simple superfood to your routine could be the change you need. And this is just the beginning. I'll be revealing the next super nut that can revolutionize your health, so stay tuned. 2. Pistachios. The energy and erection enhancer. Pistachios might be what you need if you're looking for a natural solution to boost your energy and performance. These small nutrient-dense nuts are more than just a snack. They can increase testosterone, improve blood circulation, and enhance sexual function. Pistachios contain plenty of the amino acid arginine, which supports the production of nitric oxide substance, essential for relaxing and widening blood vessels to improve blood flow. Nitric oxide production naturally decreases with aging, which can lead to slow circulation and decreased function. You can help reverse this process, improve circulation, and regain energy and performance by incorporating more pistachios into your daily routine. In addition to enhancing circulation, pistachios contain antioxidants, plant sterols, and good fats that improve vascular health, lower bad cholesterol, and reduce inflammation. Together, these advantages contribute to improved overall health and vitality. Consuming pistachios regularly has been found to increase erectile rigidity, length, and sexual satisfaction without the need for prescription drugs. Asterisk, consider my 69-year-old patient, Mark. His performance and energy were waning, so he came to me feeling frustrated. Within 2 weeks of incorporating pistachios into his diet, he noticed a marked difference. He felt more confident overall, had more energy again, and his erections were firmer. The best part is that pistachios' natural qualities promote circulation and health rather than a medication being the cause of this. It's easy to incorporate pistachios into your diet. A small handful, about 20 to 30 pistachios, can have a significant impact. Asterisk, pistachios are a simple and natural method to boost your health. Whether you eat them as a snack throughout the day, add them to salads, or blend them into smoothies. Pistachios are also a good source of vitamin B6, which supports testosterone regulation. As we age, maintaining energy, muscle mass, and sexual health depends on having healthy testosterone levels. You are supporting hormonal health and blood flow by including pistachios in your daily routine. If you've been experiencing low energy or performance issues, pistachios could be the easy natural fix you've been looking for. 3. Brazil nuts. The hormone restorer, your energy, performance, and overall strength all depend on having proper hormone levels, which gradually decline with age. As you get older, testosterone, one of the most important hormones, gradually decreases, which can leave you feeling sluggish and less engaged in life. However, what if there was a simple natural method to enhance and replenish your testosterone levels? Asterisk, Brazil nuts are useful in this situation. Selenium, a mineral necessary to promote testosterone production, is abundant in Brazil nuts. Simply consuming 1 or 2 Brazil nuts daily can improve energy levels, protect the prostate, and aid in restoring hormonal balance. You must obtain selenium from your diet because your body is unable to create it on its own, and among the best sources are Brazil nuts. Asterisk, consider my 70-year-old patient, David, who arrived feeling exhausted and disengaged. He saw remarkable benefits after adding just 1 Brazil nut to his daily diet. His overall well-being was restored, his attitude improved, and his energy levels surged. Giving his body the necessary nutrition to return to normal function was more important than looking for a quick fix. Brazil nuts are rich in antioxidants and good fats that promote overall health and well-being. In addition to aiding in testosterone creation, asterisk, you can regain balance, feel more energized, and take control of your health by incorporating Brazil nuts into your daily routine. This small but crucial adjustment could be the secret to revitalizing your vitality if you're lacking energy or feel disengaged from your body. And pay attention to more organic, practical solutions that are on the horizon. To ensure you don't miss out on more advice and insights to improve your performance, energy, and overall health, click the subscribe button before we move on to the next section, where we will examine the amazing benefits of blending all 3 nuts. Pay attention because what's about to happen could completely transform your vitality. Asterisk. The synergistic power. When 3 nuts combine, asterisk, so far, we've covered the distinct advantages of Brazil nuts, pistachios, and walnuts. However, what if I told you that combining all 3 is where the magic happens? That's right. Each of these nuts contributes something unique. However, when you combine them, their advantages multiply, leading to significantly improved performance, energy, and overall health. Let's dissect it. Your circulatory system's powerhouse is walnuts. Rich in arginine, they support enhanced blood flow, which has a direct impact on performance, energy levels, and mental clarity. Asterisk, in contrast, pistachios and walnuts complement one another by improving circulation and promoting erectile function. Then there are Brazil nuts, which are rich in selenium, and help produce testosterone, a hormone essential for vitality, strength, and energy. Asterisk, the result of combining all three into your diet is astonishing. These nuts boost their own benefits. Instead of merely complementing one another, the body uses selenium from Brazil nuts more effectively, thanks to the increased blood flow from walnuts and pistachios, promoting both mental and physical well-being, better performance, more vitality, and a sense of balance that helps you feel more like you are the result. Asterisk, consider 70-year-old Michael, who had spent years struggling with exhaustion and poor energy. He had experimented with including pistachios and walnuts in his diet, but the results were negligible. At that point, we included Brazil nuts in the mix. Michael returned to me a month later, absolutely beaming. "I feel like I've regained my zest," he added. "Everything seems to be working better, including increased energy and improved attention." This nut combination had changed his entire perspective on vitality, not just one area of his health. The best part is that you don't need expensive pills or complicated routines. All you need is a handful of Brazil nuts, pistachios, and walnuts each day. Just the most basic tools from nature working in parallel with your body. No prescription drugs or pills. So, when you can enjoy the combined advantages of all three, why settle for less? Including them in your regular routine is simple, and you'll see beneficial improvements quickly. These three nuts will help you improve performance, boost circulation, or regulate your hormones. To realize the full potential of your health and energy, try them right now. Don't let age limit you. It's easy to fall into the trap of believing that certain changes are just a normal aspect of getting older. It's normal to feel less connected to your body, have less energy, and perform worse. However, the majority of men make a grave error here by accepting these changes without doing anything about them. Too many people believe that there is no way to get better as they age and that they must accept these declines. The biggest barrier to regaining vitality and performance is frequently this mentality. Asterisk, in reality, getting older does not imply surrendering to exhaustion, a diminished libido, or poor performance. Getting older does not necessarily mean these things. In fact, the body is losing its balance, and appropriate actions can restore it. Asterisk, think about Greg, a 69-year-old man who believed he was no longer competitive. He had accepted a life of less power and vitality, believing it was a natural aspect of getting older. Everything started to change after he was simply advised to increase his intake of Brazil nuts, pistachios, and walnuts. His energy levels increased significantly in a matter of weeks, and his mood also improved. There was no miracle involved. The goal was to restore the body's natural function by taking the appropriate actions. Asterisk. Recognizing that small adjustments can have significant effects is essential to making things better. Giving your body the necessary resources to feel and function at its peak is more important than attempting to fight aging. Take control of your health by making achievable improvements rather than simply accepting deterioration. Start by eating healthier, continue to be active, and never stop trying to get better. You might be surprised by the outcome. Asterisk, transform your life with just 3 simple habits. Asterisk, it's not difficult to regain vitality, energy, and performance. The secret is to develop easy, dependable habits each day. Asterisk, including Brazil nuts, pistachios, and walnuts in your regular diet is a great place to start. Rich in nutrients, these 3 nuts can help balance hormones, boost blood circulation, and give you more energy. Asterisk, start your day with some Brazil nuts. Selenium, which is abundant in these nuts, aids in the creation of testosterone and improves prostate health. To maintain healthy testosterone levels and boost general energy, just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts should be eaten each morning. Eating them first thing in the morning, ideally after brushing your teeth, supports your body from the very start of the day and helps create a positive mood. Asterisk, as the afternoon approaches and you start to lose your vitality, grab some pistachios. Arginine in these nuts helps your body produce more nitric oxide, which improves circulation and blood flow. Better energy levels, improved performance, and less inflammation are a result of this. Additionally, rich in antioxidants and good fats, pistachios promote cardiovascular health. A small amount in the afternoon or around lunchtime helps you maintain energy and get through the day. Walnuts make a great evening snack to round out the day. Omega-3 fatty acids are abundant in walnuts, reducing inflammation and promoting heart health. Melatonin, which controls your sleep cycle and encourages deeper sleep, is also present in them. A modest handful of walnuts before bed promotes relaxation, helps improve the quality of your sleep, and speeds up recovery. The effectiveness of this routine stems from its simplicity. You are providing your body with the necessary nutrients to thrive by including a handful of Brazil nuts, pistachios, and walnuts in your daily meals. Expensive diets and sophisticated supplements are unnecessary. Your general health and performance can be significantly impacted by just these 3 powerful natural meals. You'll start to notice a difference if you stick to this easy program. These simple daily habits can help you regain your energy, balance your hormones, and boost circulation. You don't have to slow down as you get older. You will position yourself to maintain vitality and vigor for years to come by making these minor adjustments today. Start now to see the benefits for yourself. It's easier than you might imagine to get your energy and performance back. Just adding 3 easy nutrients nuts to your daily diet can have a long-lasting effect on your vitality, circulation, and overall well-being. Together, walnuts, pistachios, and Brazil nuts help promote blood flow, support your hormones, and bring your body back to its natural state of balance. It's time to stop letting your age dictate how you feel. Making small, consistent adjustments to your routine can have a significant impact on your daily life. Start incorporating these nuts into your diet if you're ready to embrace a healthier, more powerful version of yourself. For more advice and insights on how to stay healthy and energized every day, please subscribe to the channel if you found this material helpful. At any age, we can work together to take control of your health and support you. Welcome to Salud 365.